Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change a GMC Acadia headlight. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a new headlight bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and has cooled down to prevent any burns. Always refer to your owner's manual for the correct bulb type and any specific safety instructions before you begin. Next, open your vehicle's hood and find the two retaining bolts situated on top of the headlight assembly. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. It should unclip from its mounting points, allowing you better access to the bulb. Now, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight bulb. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Then, insert your new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it is securely seated in place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting points until you hear it click securely into place. Reinstall the two retaining bolts and tighten them firmly. Before you hit the road, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.